Good morning, students. My name is Poonam Daswani. I hope you all are good and your family is doing great. Students, today we will start with the GK Lesson 5 Right Thinking. Students, in the previous lecture, we sent you the GK Lesson 5 Right Thinking, but there were some mistakes and we apologize for that. And we are resending the lesson 5, so you have to refer this lesson, and you don't have to refer the previous lesson link. You refer this today's GK lesson 5 right thinking link. So today we'll learn about the GK lesson 5 right thinking. GK lesson 5 right thinking. Now we move on to the first question, that is A question. Look at these numbers, letters and shapes. Fill in the blanks. What we have to do, we have to fill in the blanks. Look at these numbers, letters and shapes and fill in the blanks. Now what is the first question? The first question is 1A, 2B, 3C, and there is a blank blank blank. Now this is the pattern which we have to follow. We have to follow the pattern. With one letter, one number is given letter A. I would like to show you in the practical form. Now what is given in the first blank is a pattern. First blank is a pattern. Now with number 1 is letter A. So this is the pattern. With number 1 is letter A. When we say number 1, letter A comes first. So A is the first alphabet. So with 1 there is A. Now after that there is 2B. When we say letter B, the number comes 2. We are following the pattern. So with 1 is, after 1 comes 2, after A comes B. So we are following the pattern. After 2 comes 3. After 2 comes 3. And with 3, which letter is given? C. What comes after B is C. So we are following the pattern of the numbers and the alphabets. When we say 1, 2, 3 and the letters come A, B, C. Now there is a blank, 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 blank. Now what comes after 3 will be 4. After 3 comes number 4. And what comes after the alphabet C is alphabet D. After C comes alphabet D. And after 3 comes 4. So what we will write in the first blank is the number 4 and the letter D. Because these two are coming together. Number 4 and letter D is coming together. Now after 4, what comes after 4? The number 5. After 4 comes number 5. And what comes after D is E. Alphabet E. After 4 comes 5. After D comes E. So what will be the answer for the next blank? 5E. The answer for the next blank will be 5E. After 5, which number comes? 6. After 5 comes 6. And what comes after E is F. So what will be the answer? 6F. What is the answer for the next blank? What is the answer for the next blank will be? What comes after 6? After 6 comes 7. And the answer after F will come G. After F comes alphabet G. After 6 comes number 7. So what number and alphabet is coming together is 7G. So we'll write here in the blank 7G. So this is the first blank. You have to follow this pattern and you have to fill in the blanks. So you have to write the answer in the textbook in this form: 1A, 2B, 3C, 4D, 5E, 6F, 7G. This is the answer for the first blank. Now we move on to second blank. What is the second blank? Second blank is 1, then dash, 100, dash, 10,000. Now what is this pattern? How we will find the answer for this? I will show you. Now what is the second question? Second question is 1 dash 100 dash 10,000. Now between this, what we have to follow is the zero pattern. We will count the zeros. Between 1 to 100, what comes is 10. How many zeros come in 10? 1 zero. In 100 comes 2 zeros. What will be the next number? What will be next number? The pattern which we have to follow is the zeros. We have to write the zeros with the number 1. What comes with number 1 is how many zeros. Here in the blank there is given nothing. So after 1 to 100, in 1 we have no zero. In the number 1 we don't have any zero. But in 100 there are 2 zeros. And after this is 4 zeros. So here how many zero will come? Yes, here will come 3 zeros. That is 1000. You can also follow one more method is ones, tens, hundreds. This is thousands and this is 10,000s. You can follow two methods and you can find your answer. You will follow two methods. You can either see after between 1 and 100 there is no zero in 1, but there are 2 zeros in hundreds. Again there is a blank here and there are 4 zeros in the 10,000 place. There are 4 zeros in the 10,000 place. So we will add 1 zero, that will become tens. That is 1 zero. There is no zero here. Then 1 zero, then 2 zero, then 3 zero, then 4 zero. Means ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000s. So you can follow the two methods. You can either see the zeros and you can find the answer, or you can follow the method of ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000s. In 10,000 this is the number of 10,000. There are 4 zeros. Here there are 3 0, 2 0, 1 0 and here no zero. So 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. I hope you all have understood. Now I'll show you how you have to write the answer in the textbook. Here is your answer in the textbook. You have to write in this method: 1, 10, 100, 1000 and 10,000. Now we move on to the third blank. What is the third blank? The first number is 100, then 85, then 70, then 55. So what is this method, the pattern given? We all have we all have studied about the pattern numbers in standard 2. So this pattern is going backwards. I'll show you in the practical method. What is the question for number 3 is 100, 85, then 70, then 55. Now this is the format of the question. Now what we have to do is we have to count the numbers from 100 to 85. how many numbers are given from 100 to 85? Here, how many numbers are there between 100 and 85? We are counting backwards. We have to go backwards, means we are not going ahead. The number given is smaller than 100. So we are going backward from 100 to 85. Now 100, then before 100 comes 99, 98, 97, 96, 95, 94, 93, 92, 91, 90, 89, 88, 87, 86 and 85. So from the number 100 to 85, we have to count how many numbers are there from 100 to 85. What we have to do, we have to count from 100 to 85. So we'll start counting. The number 100 is given, so we'll not count 100, we'll count from 99. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. How many numbers are coming between 100 and 85 is 15 numbers. There is a gap of 15 numbers. Between 100 to 85, there are 15 numbers in middle, 100 to 85. Again from 85 to 70, when you count backwards, there are again 50 numbers. So we have to go 15 numbers behind. Now 85 came here. You will not count 85, you will count from 84. 84, 83, 82, 81, 80, 79, 78, 77, 76, 75, 74, 73, 72, 71, 70. When you count from 84 to 70, you get 15 numbers. So, why we are not counting 100 here? Because 100 is already given. We'll count from 99 to 85. From 99 to 85, we get 15 numbers. And here 85 is given and we counted 85 here. So we will not take 85, we will count from 84. When we count from 84 to 70, we get 15 numbers. We get 15 numbers. So we are counting 15 numbers behind. We are counting 15 numbers behind. Now when you count, we got 70 here. We got the number 70 here. Now 70 is also given here. So we'll not count 70. We'll go behind 69, 68, 67, 66, 65, 64, 63, 62, 61, 60, 59, 58, 57, 56 and 55. Now when you count from 69 to 55, you get 15 numbers. You get 15 numbers. Now we have to go behind from 55. 15 numbers we will go behind. We'll go behind 15 numbers. So we'll count again backwards. Now 55 we got here and 55 is written here. Now when you go 15 numbers back, we will count which numbers we are getting. So we'll start counting from 54. Now 54, 53, 52, 51, 50, 49, 48, 47, 46, 45, 43, 44, 43, 42, 41, 40. Now when you count from 54 to 40, you get 15 numbers. So what is our next answer? Is number 40. When you count from number 54 to number 40, you get 15 numbers. So our next answer is 40. Because from 54 when you count till 40, you get 15 numbers. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So we are going 15 numbers behind. When you go 15 numbers behind from 54 to 40, you get the answer 40. Now again we will go 15 numbers behind. When you go again 15 numbers behind, you will start counting from 39, because 40 we have already got and 40 we wrote the number here. So we'll count from 39 now. 39, 38, 37, 36, 35, 34, 33, 32, 31, 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25. When you count from 39 to 25, you get 15 numbers. You get 15 numbers. We are going 15 numbers behind. So what is our answer? Our answer is 25. When you go from the numbers 40 to 25 behind 39, you get 25. You get the answer 25. When you go 15 numbers behind from 40, you get the answer 25. I hope you all have understood this. See, when you count from 39 to 25, you get 15 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We have to go 15 numbers behind. So you get the answer 25. I hope you all have understood this blank. Now I'll show you how to write in the textbook the answer. So the answer for the third blank is, what we will do, we will go 15 numbers behind. So 100, 85, 70, 55, then comes 40, then after 40 comes 25. Here is the answer: 100, 85, 70, 55, 40, 25, and when you go more 10 numbers behind, you get the answer 10. The numbers, when you go back from 25, 15 numbers behind, you get the answer 10. Now we move on to the fourth blank. What is the fourth blank? Now here we have got patterns. Here we have got the patterns. Which is the first pattern? The first pattern is square. Second is circle. Third is rectangle. And fourth is triangle. Now in this answer we are going reverse method. Like I'll show you. In the fourth blank is square, circle, rectangle and triangle. Now when we go reverse method, reverse means we will go backward. When we go backward method, first we will get, what we will get is triangle. When we go reverse method, the last comes first. When we follow the reverse method, the last comes first. So first will be the triangle, because it is last. What we have drawn last will come first in the reverse method. Then second comes the rectangle. First is triangle, second is rectangle. Then there is a blank, and what is first will come here last. We get a square. Now what is after square is circle. So here what will come in the blank? Circle will come before square. So we'll draw a circle here. First is square, then circle, then rectangle, then triangle. Then what we have to find is what is in this blank space. So what is the pattern given is the reverse pattern. Whatever is last comes first. Now here is triangle, then second is rectangle, then third will be circle and fourth will be square. So what will come in the blank is circle. So the answer is circle. Now we will write in the textbook. This is the answer for the circle. You have to write it in the textbook. Now we move on to the next blank. Now your given is a pattern again. Your given is a pattern. A, C, E, G, then is blank and K. Now I'll show you how we have to find the answer. Now what is the question given? The question given is A, C, E, G and K. Now we have to find what is the answer. So what we will do, again we will follow the pattern method. Now between A to C, how many alphabets are there? There is one alphabet, that is B. There is one alphabet between A to C, that is B. Now between C to E, how many alphabets are there? There is one alphabet, D. There is one alphabet, D. Will not write this answers in the textbook because there is no blank given. This is just for your understanding how we have to find the answers. Now between D to G, E to G, how many alphabets are there? E, F, G. There is one alphabet, that is F. E, F, G. Now between G to K, we will find how many alphabets are there between G to K. After G comes H. After G comes H. After H comes I. After I comes J. And after J comes K. So there are three alphabets between G to K. That is G, H, J, K. So the alphabet remained left is I. So I will come in the blank. The answer is I. Why I? Because here there are two alphabets before I and there are two alphabets after I. That is G and H and J and K. So the answer will be I. Here are two alphabets and here are two alphabets. So the middle alphabet is I. That will be the answer. Here is one alphabet. From here there are two alphabets left. G, H, J, K. So the middle answer will be I because we have to leave two alphabets here, two alphabets here. That's why I is the answer. This is the pattern. After A is one alphabet, after C is one alphabet, after E is one alphabet. But after G there are two alphabets, that is G, H, and here are two alphabets, that is J, K. So the answer is I. I'll show you how to write the answer in the textbook. The question is A, C, E, G, blank and K. So we have found the answer, that is the alphabet I, by following the pattern method. Between A to C, C to E, E to G there is one alphabet, but between G to K there are three alphabets. So G and H will be two alphabets and J and K are two alphabets. But the answer is I because before I is two alphabets, that is G and H, and after I are two alphabets, that is J and K. So the answer is I. Now we move on to the next blank. Again we have the pattern method. We have the pattern method. In the rectangle there is triangle. In the circle there is square. Again in the rectangle there is circle. And in the fourth picture is triangle. In the triangle there is a square. We have to find what is the answer. So we will follow the pattern method again. I'll show you. Now what is given is the pattern method. What is given is the pattern method. There is a triangle inside the rectangle, square inside the circle, circle inside the rectangle, and a square inside the triangle. So what will be the answer? Again the same pattern method has been followed. Same pattern method, because first and third image are same. So we will follow the same pattern method. So what will be the answer here will be a square inside the circle, same pattern method, and a square inside the triangle. So we will follow the same pattern method. What are we following is the same pattern method. So the blanks will be same. Square inside the circle and square inside the triangle. We are following the same pattern method. I hope you all have got the answer and understood the answer. I'll show you how to write in the textbook. You can see the answer in the textbook. You can copy the answer in the textbook in the same manner. Triangle inside the rectangle, then is square inside the circle, then again circle inside the rectangle, and the last one is square inside the triangle. So you can write the answer in the same manner in the textbook. Why? Because we are following the same pattern method. So you will draw a square inside the circle and you will draw square inside the triangle. Now we move on to the next blank, that is number 7, 11 dash dash 44 dash 66 dash dash 99. Now in this blank, which method is followed? I'll show you. You can see in this blank seventh number is 11 dash dash 44 dash 66 dash dash 99. Now the number 11 is given and there are two blanks left and number 44 is given. Then is one blank and 66 is given. Then there are two blanks and number 99 is given. Now can you guess all these number comes in which table? What we will follow in this blank is the table format. We will follow the table format. Now can you guess which numbers comes in all these numbers comes in which table? Yes, you all are right. These all numbers come in the 11 table. So we will follow the table method of 11. 11 ones are 11. 11 twos are is 22. We will follow the table method. We will apply the table of 11. 11, then 22, then 33. 11 threes are 33. 11 fours are 44, which is given. 11 fives are 55. The answer will be 55. Then 66 is given, which is 11 six are 66. 11 sevens are 77. The next blank will be 77. 11 into 8 is 88. The answer will be 88. Then again 11 nines are 99, which is given. So we are following here the table format. What are we following? We are following the table method. The table which applied is 11 table. We have applied the table of 11, 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, 66, 77, 88, 99. You can also find one more method is you will see how many numbers difference are there between 11 to 66. You will count forward. The number which will be the difference between these two will be the answer. 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55. When you count from 45 to 55, 11 numbers come. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So the numbers between 44 to 66 are 11. So you will write the answer. When you count from 45 to 55, 11 numbers come. You will not count 44 because 44 is already given in the blank. You will count after 44. That is 45 to 55, 11 numbers are there. But when you follow the table method, this is more easier because all these numbers come in 11 table. So you follow the table method. This method is more easier. When you apply the table of 11, you get all the answers. I just showed you the another method for your information, but follow the table method, which is the easier one. You will see the numbers 11, 44, 66 and 99. All these numbers come in 11 table. All these numbers come in 11 table. 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, 66, 77, 88, 99. All these numbers come in 11 table. So we will apply the table of 11 for this blank. This is more easier method. You can find the answers easily. Now I'll show you how to write the answers in the textbook. The question given is 11 dash dash 44 dash 66 dash dash 99. Here are the answers: 11, 22, 33, 55, 77, 88. These are the answers you can write in your textbook. 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, 66, 77, 88, 99. When you apply the table of 11, you get the answer. Why are we applying the table of 11 here? Because the first number given is 11. That's why we are applying the table of 11. I hope you all have understood how to solve this blank. Now we move ahead with the next blank, that is number 8. Now again we have the alphabet pattern method in this blank, the alphabet pattern method. Now we'll see how to solve this blank. Now which methods are followed in this blank is the alphabet pattern method. The first alphabet given is A and Z. Now letter A is the first alphabet and Z is the last alphabet. So there is first and last pattern method. There is first and last pattern method. A is the first alphabet, Z is the last alphabet. When you count from starting, when you read from starting, A is the first alphabet, Z is the last alphabet. So we are following first and last method. Now in the second blank, second this is given is B and Y. Second pattern is given is B and Y. Now B is the second alphabet, Y is the second last alphabet. This is the second and this is second last. Means after A comes B, but here what will be followed? What comes before Z? We will go here backwards and here we will go upwards. After A comes B, before Z comes Y. Here we will follow the reverse method. Here we will follow the direct method. Here we are following the reverse method. Here we are following the direct method. After B comes alphabet C. After B comes alphabet C. What comes before Y is X. What comes before Y is X. When you count reverse X, Y, Z. When you count reverse X, Y, Z is reverse is Z, Y, X. When you count this, read this reverse is Z, Y, X. And this is straight method A, B, C. This is reverse method Z, Y, X. So we are following the first and last pattern method. This is third 1, 2, 3, but this is last from behind. This is last from behind. This is the straight method. This is the reverse method. So after C comes D, but here is given is blank. D, what will come with alphabet D? Which alphabet will come with alphabet D? What comes before X? What comes before X is W. W, X, Y, Z. When you count it from reverse, you get the answer. What comes before X is W. What comes after C is D. So what will be the alphabet with D is W. What will be letter with letter D is W. With D comes W. This is number 4 from starting. This is number 4 from ending. This is number 4 from starting. This is number 4 from ending. This is last, this is second last, third last, fourth last. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is last, last, last. When you count it reverse, you get Z, Y, X, W. When you count this straight, read this straight, you get A, B, C, D. When you read this reverse, you get Z, Y, X, W. So this is the straight method, this is the reverse method. So we are following the first and last pattern method. Now is given V. What comes before W is V. Now V is given, but we have to find this alphabet. What comes after D? Before W comes V. What comes after D will be E. This is very easy. You all know the straight reading of the alphabets. That is A, B, C, D, E. The answer will be E. What comes before W is V. When you count in reverse, V, W, X, Y, Z. V, W, X, Y, Z. When you count reverse, V, W, X, Y, Z means we are counting it reverse. Ulta, we are counting it ulta. We are counting it in reverse. And when you count this straight, This is very easy. A, B, C, D, E. We are counting this reverse. V, W, X, Y, Z. So when you count this reverse, Z, Y, X, W, V. What comes with alphabet V is alphabet E. So we'll write the answer E. Alphabet E is coming with alphabet V. Alphabet D is coming with alphabet W. So we have found the answer. I hope you all have understood. Now I'll show you how to write it in the textbook. Here is the method. A, Z, B, Y, C, X, D, W, E, V. Now we move on to the next blank, that is number 9. 160, 80, then is blank, then is 20, then is 5. Now I'll show you which pattern method has been followed in this blank. Now you can see the numbers 160, 80, dash 20, dash 5. Now in this method, what method has been applied is 160 and 80. You know the difference between the numbers 160 and 80? 160 and 80. I'll tell you, the number 80 is half of 160. The number 80 is half of 160. So how we got this answer? When we divide the number 160 with 2, we get the answer 80. 2 8s are 16 and 0 0. This is the division method that we have applied. We all have solved the division sums in standard 2. So when we divide the number 160 by 2, which is half, we get the answer 80. 80 is half of 160. Now what we will divide, what number we will get here of 80? We'll get the number half of 80 here. How we will get the number half of 80? We will find it. We will divide the number 80. Now we have got the number 80 here. So we will divide the number 80 by 2. When we have to make the number half, we always have to divide it by 2. So how many times number 8 come in 2 table is 2 4s are 8. 2 4s are 8. So here 0. This 0 comes down. So we'll add one more 0 here. This 0 is come down. So we added a 0 here. In this also 8 minus 8 is 0. And this 0 is come down. So we'll add one more 0 here. So what is the number which we have got is number 40. So number 40 is half of number 80. Number 40 is half of number 80. And number 20 is half of number 40. Number 20 is half of number 40. Now what will be the number that will be half of 20? What will be the number which will be the half of number 20? So we will divide it by 2. We will divide it by 2. So number 20 will be divided by number 2. When we divide the number by 2, when we have to make half, we divide the number by 2. So when we divide the number 20 by 2, what we get? 2 ones are 2. Here is 0. This 0 comes down. So we will add one more 0. So what we have got, the answer is number 10. Number 10 is half of number 20. Number 10 is half of number 20. Now in the last what we have the number 5. Now number 5 is half of number 10. So our answer is correct. When we have to make the number half, we have to divide by 2. When we make the number half, we divide by number 2. So 80 is half of 160, 40 is half of 80, 20 is half of 40, 10 is half of 20 and 5 is half of 10. So this is the pattern which we have to follow. We have to divide and follow the answers. We have to follow the half. We have to make it half. I hope you all have understood. I'll show you how to write in the textbook. Here is the answer. You can copy it in your textbook. We have to make half of the given numbers. We have to always see what number pattern is given. Like 80 is half of 160. So we will make the numbers half. We will divide it by 2 and we get the answers. Now we move on to the next blank, that is number 10. Now in this blank we have the number pattern. What we have is the number pattern. 9091, then the number is 9190. 8081, then is 8180, then is 7071. Then the number what we will write is the last pattern, that is what will we write? 7170 will be the correct answer. What are we following? We are following the number pattern method. Like in the first it is given 9091. Then what number is given is 9190. So we are following the same pattern. 8081, then the answer is 8180. Then 7071, we are writing it as 7170 is the correct answer. Now we move on to the number 11 blank. What is the lowest 6-digit number? Lowest 6-digit number. What is the lowest 6-digit number? We will follow the method in this. Now here is the number method. Now what is the lowest 6-digit number? So we will count the numbers like ones. How many numbers are there in one place is 1. So this is 1 digit, 2 digits, 3 digit, 4 digit, 5 digit and this is 6 digit. The number in the lakhs place is the lowest 6-digit numbers. After this whatever comes will be the bigger number than lakh. So there is 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and this is the 6-digit number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like. There is 1 number in 1, 2 number in 10, then 3 numbers, then 4 numbers, then 5 numbers, then is 6 numbers. So this is the smallest 6-digit number. The number 1 lakh is the smallest 6-digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 digits in this number. So this is the smallest 6-digit number. After this whatever numbers come will be higher numbers, will be the bigger numbers. So this is the smallest 6-digit number. I'll show you how to write in the textbook. And what is the lowest 6-digit number is 1 lakh. The answer is 1 lakh because there are 6 digits in this number and this is the lowest 6-digit number. Whatever numbers we write after this will be the bigger numbers. Now we move on to the 12th blank. What is the highest 5-digit number with 2 ones in it? Now we have to search such a number that it is the highest 5-digit numbers and it has 2 ones in it. 2 ones mean there will be 2 number ones in it. So how we will find it? Let us do it. Now what we have to do is we have to find the highest 5-digit numbers first. What we will find? Highest 5-digit number with the number 2 ones in it. So as you can see in the question, what is the highest 5-digit number with 2 ones? So what is the first we will find the highest 5-digit number. Which is the highest 5-digit number is? The highest 5-digit number is number 10,000. There are 5 digits in it. This is the highest 5-digit number. But what we have to find is there are 2 ones. There should be 2 ones in it. This is the highest 5-digit number, but we have to find such a number that it contains 2 ones in it. So the highest 5-digit number which contains 2 ones is 99,911. The number which is highest with 2 ones is 99,911. This number is 10,000, which is highest 5-digit number, but we have to find such a number. Sorry, the highest 5-digit number will be not this. It will be 99,999. This is the highest 5-digit numbers. This is the highest 5-digit numbers. After this comes 1 lakh, which is 6-digit numbers. The highest 5-digit number is 99,999. This is the highest 5-digit number. After this comes 1 lakh. 99,999. After that comes 1 lakh. This is the 6-digit number. This is the highest 5-digit number, but we have to find such a number that it contains 2 ones in it. I'll show you the answer again. We have to find such a number that is highest 5-digit number. The highest 5-digit number is 99,999, but there are no 2 ones in it. So we have to find such a number that should be 2 ones also. It should contain 2 ones. This is the highest 5-digit number, but there are no 2 ones in it. And after that, this comes 1 lakh. This is 6-digit number. So this is also not the answer. This is also not the answer because there are no 2 ones in it. So which number will have the 2 ones and is the highest? So we will go the numbers backward, which will have 2 ones in it. Which will have 2 ones means which will have 11 in it. So the going backward number is 99,911. This is the highest 5-digit number with 2 ones in it. The number 11 should be there in it. So this is the number when you go backward, like 99, 98, 97, 96, 95, 94. When you go backward, you get the number 11. But this should be same 99,000, 99,000, 99,900, 900, 900. When you come till the number 11, from the number 99 to number 11, When you come backward from the number 99 to number 11, this is the highest 5-digit number. This is the highest 5-digit number with number 11, two ones in it. So the number is 99,911. This has two ones in it. Two ones mean it should have 11 number in it. So two ones are 11. So the answer is 99,911. When you count backward, see, here is 1 so this is not the answer. Then is 81, so this is also not. 71, 61, 51, 41, 41, 31, 21. In all these there are one number 1, so this is not the answer. And when you go backward from this, you get 1, 99,901, but this is also not the answer. We want two ones. We want two ones in it. So 99,911. First, what we'll do? What we will find the highest 5-digit number. The highest 5-digit number is 99,999. So we will see, there are two ones in it. No, there are no two ones in it. What we will do? We will go backwards. When we go backwards, we will see there is one ones. So these are also not the answers. When we get two ones, that is number 11, that is the highest 5-digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are 5-digit numbers and there are two ones in it. This is also the 5-digit number, but there is only one. So this is not the answer. This is the correct answer. 5-digit means the answer should have 5 numbers and 2 ones. The 5 digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 2 ones. So the answer is 99,911. I hope you all have understood how to find the answer. First, you will find the highest 5-digit number. You will see it is having two ones in it. If it is not having two ones, which is number 11 in it, you will count backwards. When you count backwards from 99 to 11, you get the number 99,911. This is also not the correct answer because there is only one in this. We want two ones. We want two ones. So the correct number with 5-digit, highest 5-digit number is 99,911. I hope you all have understood. Now we'll see how to write in the textbook. The correct method to write in the textbook is 99,911. Students, I hope you all have understood the blanks. Now I'll stop here as the time has exceeded a lot. The other question, that is B question, we will solve it in the next lecture. Now I stop here and thank you for listening to the lecture. If you have any doubts or queries, you can mail it on my mail ID. Thank you for listening to the lecture. Thank you so much.